MATC's Building Automated Systems program is a great way for students to quickly enter a field where there are a lot of different job opportunities.
There are actually quite a few people retiring in the field, so a lot of employers are looking to hire new guys coming out of schooling. They're offering to pay $40,000 to $50,000 a year after only 1 year of school.
In the BAS program, students get to do hands-on activities with equipment like you see behind me here, where they learn how to keep people comfortable, healthy, and safe in buildings.
So we learn how to control heating, cooling systems, air systems, fire protection, lighting systems, as well as monitoring gas and water and electric use as well.
Students learn how to work with sensors, actuators, controllers, and computers to control a building's heating and cooling systems, fire protection systems, lighting systems like here in the room, and security systems.
Well, a lot of this stuff is hands-on working. We got the air handling units here, we're wiring things up, and then we got a computer, we program them right there. You're not just staring at a computer, you're not just, with your hands. It's a good mix.
They also learn how controlling a building's systems can minimize the impact on the environment.
You have this automation in the building. It allows you to really control the amount of energy that you're using, so it definitely has a lasting impact on the environment.
Technology is evolving really fast. We're looking at all these different ways to conserve energy, generate energy, and to store it. So there's all these different opportunities developing for people who are just wanting to get into the field right now, or people who are already in the field and they just want to improve their skills.
This is a great way to enhance your skill set, make you more marketable to employers too.
Our instructors are working professionals. They have years of experience and they bring that experience into the classroom talking about what they've seen in the field, and it makes the learning experience more interesting.
The BAS program at MATC, education that transforms lives, industry, and community.